Our goal is to make a conditional state. If our input weight is over 1.5 meter and your weight is less than 90 kilograms, you get to ride on the roller coaster. Make a variable. Name it whatever you want. Set that to true. Make another variable. Set that also to true. Write this conditional checker statement. If our height is over 150 centimeter and our weight is less than 90, we can do some task. Since our height is over 150 and our weight is less than 90, it will print the statement below. We can also make an else statement. Now try changing one of the results. If statement will get run when both statements are true, when our height is over 150 and our weight is less than 90. If we only want to check one condition, we could use OR. If height requirements are met or age requirements are met, we could print a statement. When using OR, only one needs to be true, either the first or the second.